So today we got an unboxing from Sinister Fingers, as you can see. So let's get into this. And I got another little surprise one over there, but let's get in. Here you got the receipt. Left a little note. I'm having trouble reading it. Thanks so much for your order. Looks like a rat setup. My favorite ones. But as you can see, Sinister Things. Hey, they threw a little McDonald's bag. So this is like the main part of my order. Like one of them. I wanted this fire door for so. Oh, this thing's so fucking fun. Quality is insane. Second up, I got the Age Rail. What's the actual name of this? Oh, just realistic fingerboard street rail. I think it looks sick. Paper. And then I went ahead and grabbed a bench. Here's the three together. Just three obstacles. They are so sick. This one comes with a little Doom magazine. But and here is the second half of the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and rip this open and I'll be right back. All right, got her all ripped open. Oh, just dropped my vape. Okay. Let's see. No, okay. Here's the decks. We'll go ahead and do these first. Do it on a real board, YUCK fingerboarding. That's sick. 2 bits of caps tape. Hell yeah. As you can tell, 2 decks. Got the, oh, there's 2 here. Got the YUCK sticker sheet. That's fucking fire. I like the letters a lot. But this will kind of tell you what's in this package. The knife drop on YUCK's website. I did go ahead and pick up some of these too because they're sick. I've always wanted a set and they actually had the ones I wanted in. So, hell yeah. And YUCK. And another knife one. You can never have too many slaps, dude. And here's the 31.5. nice little haul. I will have a few more packages coming in this week. Like I got one from Igloo coming in, and I got a little special one that's coming in on the side. That's pretty sick. But stay tuned. I was gonna wait on this one to get my wheels and stuff, but I got my Sinister finger box like beginning of this week, and the knife one came yesterday, and I've just been dying to get this stuff out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like, sub. See you in the next one.